Need to fix the Sxs side-by-side library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the professional restoration of this core file. This DLL file is the Windows side-by-side manifest library. It manages versioning for System DLLs, allowing different applications to use different versions of the same library simultaneously without causing software conflicts. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. The Sxs side-by-side library DLL is a fundamental part of the Windows execution layer. To fix it, launch command prompt as an administrator and run scan now to perform a diagnostic scan and repair of all protected system resources. If the setup package didn't provide a resolution, we need to look under the hood at how your system handles current session configurations. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Sxs side-by-side library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Ensure your hardware remains stable and your software stays under warranty by avoiding the manual manipulation of high-level library files like the Sxs side-by-side library DLL. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing the Sxs side-by-side library and system behavior. To support our technical team and receive updates on the latest Windows OS core resolutions, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.